Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Nadang puli kini di mabana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinyin kerpang ini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Oh, kumta mo? Bilay sibon.
Sorkar Jylla Kumshibinta ban kyiad ka khajna po ka Jylla Meghalaya kalashim ni ka rai ban pynkiew dori ka kyiad phadeng dakabakan don ka jingpen kalai ka rule sau jong ka Meghalaya warehouse rule bat kani ka jingkiew dor kan long kumba nyu ne pra% hawai krem bat kila thai kubor hadien balawai ka jelang ka kanhun menteri ka Sorkar menteri rangba ka Jylla konrat ki sangma loong ba kini ki khindiat banai blalej kilai ya ka jingkiew dor bat khamtam hagi Jylla mamarjan Shushu ukan long baka jingkiew dor kan long kumba lai ne 100% but kan poi hadu kan 9% but kan ka jingkiew dor kan dei halaki jaikian.
The government has also decided that there will be reclassification of category of brands for IMFL. So amendments to ad valorem, amendment to the MVAT on liquor, amendment to rules 4410 of the Meghalaya bonded warehouse rules, etc. So basically the point is that in the past few months we have seen that the rates have been changed in other states, especially neighboring states. So in interest of ensuring that we get more revenue, we have reclassified the different brands and also increased the price on some of them. It's a long list, but all it means is that alcohol will get slightly more expensive. But at the end of the day, because there has been a increase in the rates in the neighboring states also, we will also end up earning approximately 25 plus crores additional revenue through this decision that we have taken today. Depends on the brand that one buys. So depending on the brand, the price will go up anything between 3 to 4% and going up to even about 8-9%. I see that some of you are not very happy with that, but that's most of the brands will be affected. Yeah. I can see the faces of the people who will be affected more.